Okay, so this is my laptop, and I'm using the Brave browser, which I have done for some time. Now, this is live and unscripted, so I will probably ramble. If it gets too bad, I will probably just go ahead and overdub this with something else. So anyway, I have Perplexity AI set as my homepage. It's just perplexity.ai. This is I think what they refer to as an answer engine. It's just a search engine, but it does something which I think is really neat, and I use this a lot. It actually summarizes, it goes out when you search, it does an actual search, and it summarizes the results, plus it gives you the citations for what it's summarizing. In other words, it shows you the actual pages as well. So it's not just coming up with an answer and telling you that's the answer. It actually shows you, it shows its work. So if you ask a question, forgive my typing is painfully slow. So here it comes up with a pretty standard sort of answer that you'd expect. It does provide citations here. You can click on these. It goes to various links. You can ask, it has related questions that might prompt something else. You'll notice also that you do not need to sign into this to use it. There is the capability to create an account or just log in with Google or log in with Apple, and it will retain your queries and so on, let you go back and look at past queries. But I don't tend to do that. I just use it like this. It's also got links to videos, and if you have a pro account, you can generate images. I haven't used that at all. I don't have a pro account. I have this on my phone as well as an app, and I find it to be very useful. It has some of the functionality of like ChatGPT. You can do summarize the topic of nuclear power. Again, apologies, I can't type very well. Okay. So it'll do something like this. It'll give you topics, bullet points, again, citations, so you can check the facts, which I really like. That's quite useful. I've never actually used one of these for a video, although it is useful, like I say, for the bullet points, and it does give you the general flow, and it also gives you the citations so you can go in and do your own work from those resources. So Leo is something similar built into the Brave browser. It's not really similar. It's more like, I think it's more like Copilot on Edge. So if you go to the sidebar here and fire up Leo, you can go in here and ask questions. I haven't used this much, so I'm a little, let's do what is the Holy Trinity. Let's see what it gives us. There we go. Just a short version. But if you notice, that doesn't really give you any citations. It just gives you what it thinks is a response to you asking the question. Like ChatGPT. ChatGPT in general does not go to the web and look for stuff. It just gives you what it's been trained on. So this Leo actually has several. You can use Mixtral for the LLM, for the large language model that it's using, or you can use Claude Instant or Llama 2. So these are different versions that you can use. You can probably experiment with it. I haven't, like I say, I haven't really used Leo very much, but there's some options. You can go premium. You can get more resources that way too. So that's Leo, which is built into Brave. All these browsers now are apparently getting AI stuff slathered onto them. So, but I have actually used Perplexity for I think 4 or 5 months now in various ways. I've used it on my phone a lot. Instead of I currently have an iPhone, and I use it instead of Siri because Siri is kind of useless at a lot of things. Supposedly we're getting an AI version of Siri sometime coming up, so maybe that'll be better. But Perplexity is great for that. And like I say, it does actually go out to the web and find stuff, and you can do a lot of the similar kind of stuff that you can do with ChatGPT, Claude, Bard, those kind of things. So pretty cool, and it's free. You don't have to sign up into it to use it. Pretty cool.